Guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable link preview on your Firefox browsing on your mobile. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up your browser. Okay, let's go and find a Firefox browser. Okay, open it. So that means whenever you search for any website, you're going to see the link preview on the website. So okay, now cancel. Now what we need to do is not now. Now click on these your three dots. Also click on the three dots. Now click on settings, then scroll down and you're going to see link preview. You can see sorry for that. Okay, you can see open links in app. Click on open links in app and click on ask before opening. And once you set that, you're going to see all the links or the website links you see in whenever you're browsing your Firefox. It's very simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.